ball like surgery. Yeah, I did that shit real urgent. And fill it up with racks and tell my mama Christmas early. Her mom.
Are you excited to see your hubby race tonight?
Sure.
Yeah?
Yeah, totally. And Ron Jeremy.
Yeah, good old Ron Jeremy. You like that name?
No, I hate it actually.
Did you tell your parents why he named this car?
I told my mom and she said about
Does she know who Ron Jeremy is?
Yeah. And I asked her, I was like, hey,
She's dirty.
She's a dirty girl.
She's single?
She is.
Yo, what up, son?
Got $180 on her.
What we getting into tonight?
I don't know. What do you think?
Some hood rat shit with my hood rat friends.
Yeah.
This is my headlight.
Fuel tech, baby.
This is my headlight for my car.
Wow.
What's going on? Because it's so long.
I gotta see what I'm coming into.
Yeah, we're from upstate, so like I've thought about it, it's like it's way different down here. It's way, and you're by yourself and stuff. So I was like, oh shit, I know what's going on.
All right, give me 1 second.
Yeah, no problem. Yeah, you're fine, no problem.
So if you get a ticket, it comes back to you, not
Yeah,
me, right?
right on my license. You're fine, buddy. You're fine. How you doing? Made a turn down the wrong road. There's a fucking squad.
I typed in a gas station.
Yeah, gas station's bringing a crack alley over here.
This gas station's not open. Okay, well, we have no gas. The gas station we went to was closed, and we're going to another one. Bye.
Are they leaving? Holy shit!
Nothing's happening right
Are you serious?
My...
Pull off to the right. Pull off to the right.
Oh no, we're out of gas.
And the steering wheel's locked.
We got gas. We're on our way, buddy. Yeah, because they're not letting the fucking trucks through.
Dude, I'm serious. I got to shit bad. That's like a 10 right now.
You're a grotesque human being. I just want to let you know.
There you go.
That.
We put a dumpsters, buddy.
There you go. Just where you belong. Right in the fucking dumpster.
Right here.
Just go over there.
Go behind the dumpster. Right there, behind the dumpster.
Are you serious right now? What the fuck is wrong with you? You're a real retard. I can't. Dude. Why do we... He's done.
I can't. Dude, you're going to hear him.
Frank, we're never going to bring you anywhere. I can't.
Where are we going?
The spot.
The next spot. I sent her the teaser videos that she likes.